Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today I'm going to give an instructional video about this hummingbird video, and it's the Art of Hummingbirds number 2, and I don't know where I got it. I got it from Amazon, but I'm not sure which store. Actually, it's been a while. I had a subscriber ask about this. Now the pattern is printed on the canvas, and it's an 11 count, and the key is printed on the sides. You can see it here, and then you can see it down along the bottom. So each of these symbols or colors, you know, if it's a colored square, matches what's on here. And it also, hang on guys, also came with an instruction booklet, and the key is printed out on this page of the booklet. So these are all full stitches. There's 46 colors, and the French knot and the back stitch. So what you want to do is all your full stitch stuff, and then use your instruction booklet to do all your back stitching and everything that you need to do afterwards. That's the last thing that you would do. So I started this one in particular. Bring you over here so you can see. Right here at the bottom. And I was going to put it on a scroll. You can probably put it in a hoop if you wanted to. It's a little stiff, you know, when you first get it. But I just started with the first color and looked up, looked up the corresponding color and whatever the symbol was here. That is, if I couldn't find it here. They're pretty clear on this one, so I didn't have much, you know, problems figuring out what was what, you know, in the very beginning. I still haven't. I haven't worked on this for a while. Let me get my colors. Now, this one has not been converted to little plastic Ziploc bags, so it needs to be put into Ziploc bags, but for today's purposes we're going to go right past that and use whatever color we need to use. I normally, when there's, like I said, there are 46 colors in this, and so there's a lot of color to this. So I take each individual color and I put right on the plastic baggie. Let me show you the little ones. Okay, so I get the little snack bags. And they're like, you know, what, 3-4 inches across. I mean, deep. And I just take one color and I put it in here, and I'll write, say, let's say we're doing number 1. So I put number 1, and then I put hummingbird. And then, after I get all the colors into all these little baggies, I put them into a gallon size bag, and I write hummingbird stitching, and then I'll put the number D647, which is the number for that one. I'll put 647 on this one, and that way I know it goes, this goes to this kit, and it goes back into that bag. Does that make any kind of sense? But I just started at the bottom and picked, I don't even know what symbol that is now, so I can't even begin to tell you. And I know that these booklets, instruction booklets, are separated. This one's separated into 7 sections. So I didn't even mess with that. I just started at the bottom because, like I said, I started this on my big scroll thing. It didn't work out for me. I just start at the bottom and I roll up the excess and of the canvas. I don't have it now because it's on this table, and there's plenty of room for it to go. Just roll up your excess and then use either clips, but I also have paper clips to keep it knotted down so when you got it in your lap, and it's plenty stiff enough, I don't use a hoop. It just drove me just absolutely batty, so I just quit with that. So, but that's exactly how I started, and I just went with whatever was at the bottom, and so I'm kind of working up here in a layer, you know, and finishing so many sections. So I will probably do, like, you see how it's gridded out into, there are 10 by 10 squares, so there's 100 squares in each one of these sections, usually. So that's how I do it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But if your kit does not come with an instruction booklet and numbers, see, these all have corresponding numbers across here, and they're not set up like this, I would contact the seller and tell them it didn't come with an instruction booklet. I don't know how to do this. So, but because something's missing from your kit. So if that happens, just contact the seller and they'll tell you one way or another how to do so. But if you also have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to try to answer them. And if I don't know the answer, I'll go looking for the answer. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a great weekend. God bless. Bye-bye.